So do you like that legendary quiet sound of a Honda Goldwing? Or are you looking for something with a little more attitude? Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today I'm going to be talking about the Shark Road slip-on exhaust system for the 2018 Plus Honda Goldwing. Now let me tell you right up front, Shark Road did not pay me to make this video. They're not sponsoring the video, but they did send me a set of these slip-on exhausts to try on my 2024 Honda Goldwing. This is also not going to be a installation video. If you need to know how to remove the mufflers on your Honda Goldwing or install the mufflers, I have a video in my maintenance video series that covers all those steps. And it's pretty straightforward. If you have those videos, you shouldn't have any issues. It's pretty straightforward anyway. Let's talk about what I think of these slip-on exhausts. First, let's take a listen to what they sound like. Now let's take this 2024 Honda Goldwing out for a little ride to give you an idea of what these Shark Road slip-on mufflers sound like. I have a small microphone attached to the back of my jacket to give you an idea of what these might sound like to the rider or passenger. Have found that just riding normal speeds 30 to 40 miles an hour, these mufflers really are not that loud. They're not that obtrusive. You do notice a difference. Where you really notice the difference in these mufflers is when you get on the motorcycle, you accelerate heavily, you'll really notice the sound at that point. as I head back home after my little sound test, I would like to hear your comments. What do you think of these Shark Road slip-on mufflers? Is this something that you think you might be interested in for your motorcycle? So my personal opinion is, I think it sounds really good. And when you hear it in person, it has a very aggressive tone. It's not so loud that when you're just riding around town, it's bothersome in traffic or it bothers it just doesn't, it's just not as loud. Though where you really notice it is when you accelerate, when you get on that throttle and you get those RPMs up around 3,000 and above. That's where you really notice the sound of the Shark Road exhaust. Even on the highway at 60 or 70 miles an hour, it wasn't obtrusive. It didn't really bother me. I think I could take a road trip with these exhausts or these mufflers. Now, everybody's different. Everybody has a different sensitivity to sound. An aggressive sound is not important to me. I like the quiet sound of a Honda Goldwing. Doesn't bother me. I enjoy it. It's relaxing. But if you like that more aggressive sound, I think you're going to like these Shark Road exhausts. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, do me a favor, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help my YouTube channel, and need all the help I can get. Now, I am not a Shark Road affiliate. I don't get any commission. If you purchased Shark Road exhaust system using my discount code, you can save 10% on your purchase using code Cruiseman when you check out. I'd like to know in the comments down below, what do you think of the sound of these Shark Road exhausts? Please let me know.